Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the rain effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use the image for instance, and I'm just going to add effect, select video effect, go to nature, and you can find the rain effect. So just on it. Just for the duration in the same length. So you can see for result, and you can also add the audio for the rain zone effect. So select zone effect in audio, just type for the keyboard rain, and I'm just going to add the raindrop. Oh, yeah, rain outside. That will add the track and split, remove unused, and this is the final effect. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.